Native to Southeast Asia, ginger is common in food and medicine around the world. The ginger plant is rich in natural chemicals that can promote your health and wellness. Ginger water, also known as ginger tea, is one way to enjoy the benefits of ginger. Read on to learn more about ginger water benefits, uses, and side effects. As with a lot of herbal medicine, more research is needed to better understand and prove uses for ginger and ginger water. There are many anecdotes about uses for ginger water that can't be guaranteed healthy or effective. However, there are several potential benefits backed by limited research. Cultures around the world regularly take ginger to help ease indigestion, vomiting, and nausea. Studies are inconclusive as to how effective this is. One study trusted source found that ginger improved fasting blood sugar in people with diabetes. These and other findings show promise that ginger can help treat health concerns caused by chronic diabetes. A recent study trusted source showed that ginger reduced heart disease markers like arginase activity, LDL, bad cholesterol, and triglycerides in rats give a high-fat diet. Ginger water may help promote weight loss when combined with a healthy diet and exercise. One study trusted source showed that ginger suppressed obesity in rats on high-fat diets. And another study trusted source found that men who drank a hot ginger beverage after eating felt more full for longer. Balanced blood sugar can also prevent you from overeating. This benefit is mostly because you're taking your ginger and water. Staying hydrated is very important for supporting every aspect of your health. Many of us simply don't drink enough water each day. Starting your day with a glass of ginger water, or finding another regular time to drink one each day, will help you hydrate.